Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset your password on the Comerica Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.comerica.com and hit enter. After the home page of the Comerica Bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login button, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to click on this forgot password option. After you click on the forgot password option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to fill in your user ID here, your email address here, and then click on next. Once you click on the next button, you'll be guided to step 2, which will help you to reset your password on the Comerica Bank. I hope this video helped you to reset your password on the Comerica Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.